Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Here's a look at the Binance Chain Wallet, focusing on safe usage and its features. For direct links to the Binance Chain Wallet and other helpful resources, check out the description below. Developed by Binance, one of the world's leading and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges, the Binance Chain Wallet provides a secure platform for managing your digital assets. Designed for users interacting with the Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain, BSC, it seamlessly integrates with the broader Binance ecosystem and a wide range of decentralized applications, dApps. Crucially, the Binance Chain Wallet is non-custodial. This means you retain control of your private keys, ensuring complete ownership of your cryptocurrency holdings. A significant advantage of the wallet is its multi-chain support. You're not limited to Binance native chains, you can also manage assets on Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other networks. This flexibility is invaluable for users who hold diverse portfolios across various blockchains. Furthermore, the wallet seamlessly integrates with decentralized exchanges, DEXs. This allows you to trade directly from the wallet and interact with BSC-based dApps without relying on third-party intermediaries. Security is paramount, and the Binance Chain Wallet utilizes industry-standard encryption to safeguard your private keys and transaction data. Additional security measures include a recovery phrase and secure backup options, enabling you to recover your wallet should your device be lost or compromised. For enhanced security, the wallet supports hardware wallet integration, allowing offline storage of your private keys. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crypto user, the Binance Chain Wallet's user-friendly interface makes navigating the world of digital assets straightforward. Sending, receiving, and managing your crypto is simple and intuitive. From staking tokens and trading on decentralized platforms to exploring new dApps, the Binance Chain Wallet offers a secure and efficient gateway to the Binance ecosystem and beyond. In conclusion, the Binance Chain Wallet combines robust security, broad multi-chain support, and seamless dApp integration. This makes it a compelling choice for managing your crypto assets on the Binance Chain and other supported networks. For more in-depth information and direct links, be sure to explore the resources provided in the description below.